Hey guys, my name is Rohit and I am electrical engineering student. Today I will discuss about the how to build a PCB or circuit and use the project and how to use the how to make the PCB for the any project related work. And welcome to my channel. First of all, TechXpertRohit, my YouTube channel. The students, the videos, the was the driving into the exciting world of PCB design, which is essentials for anyone looking to build their own electronic projects. And for the budding engineer, the mastering PCB design is crucial for bringing your ideas to life and your innovations to established in the your college and your or the YouTube channel. And the make a circuit to convert the PCB is the very good, and this skill is the very most important in the engineering, electronics and electrical also. And so what exactly is a PCB? A PCB or printed circuit board is the backbone of the most electronic devices. It provides the physical structure for the mounting the electronic components and connects them through the conductive the pathways. Without a well-designed PCB, your circuit may not function as intended. And I will make in this series, I will guide you through the entire PCB design process, step by step. And this video also the introduction part, and the will cover everything from the choosing the right PCB design software, creating the circuit design layout, the board, and even the preparing the files of the manufacturing and process. I will teach you. And next, by the end of the series, you will have the skill to design your own PCB, which is the game changer for any electronics project, your college and your company also. So if you are ready to take your skills to next level, let's get started. Hey guys, my name is Rohit and my YouTube channel is the TechXpertRohit, and I will teach you the how to build a PCB and how to convert the circuit to PCB and how to draw the circuit in the PCB design software. And this all the I will make video part to part, and I will teach you. And this video also the introduction part. And this PCB design is the very most important in the electronics engineer, and the electronics engineering company also the needed the PCB design candidate also the requirement record. And the PCB design is a very important and very exciting part in the electronics project. And when you are the electronics engineer and the electronics you content creator, or you are also learn to how to build a PCB for electronics project and the essential pieces part. And this also the introduction part. What is PCB? PCB is the printed circuit board also. And I will make a playlist. This another part to part, how to build a PCB and how to the circuit draw in the PCB design software also, and how to create the root, and also description part to part. I will make a video playlist, and also I will teach you beginner to advanced level. Thank you.